Great afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back to another great day of teaching and learning in 5th grade math, where we are moving mountains and moving on to division this week. So, our I can statement for today is I can divide with one-digit divisors using different strategies like place value operations and multiplication. And our second I can statement is I can interpret remainders. So, bring your attention, please, to the board where I have a question at the top. And that question is, does McDonald's sell burgers? So as you think about this question, think about these words. The D in does stands for divide. The M in McDonald's stands for multiply. The S in sell stands for subtract. And that B in burger stands for bring down. Bring down. So that phrase, that nice catchy phrase, should help you to remember these 4 simple steps for long division. Divide, multiply, subtract, and then bring down. So before we get started with our example on the board, I would like to explain a couple of key terms. The first term is dividend. Dividend. The dividend is the number that's being divided, and it's always the larger number, and it's the number that goes underneath the division symbol. So in this instance, the dividend is 2,349. Now the divisor, the number that divides the dividend is the smaller number. And in this instance, it is the number 2. It is the number 2. The quotient is what we are solving for. We are solving for quotients when we do division. So our answer is called a quotient. So looking at our problem, 2,349 divided by 2. So the first step is divide. So how many 2's can I make out of 2? Okay, how many 2's can I make out of 2? Well, 2 times 1 is 2. So I can make 1, 2 out of 2. So I multiply 1 times 2, and the answer to that is 2. So I'm going to subtract that from the first digit in my dividend, which is a 2. And when I subtract, I get a 0. So now I go to my B, which is bring down. So I'm going to bring down the 3. Oh, I don't like that. Doesn't look like a good 3. So let's rewrite that 3. I'm going to bring down the 3. So then the steps start all over again. I have to divide. So how many 2's are there in 3? Well, again, guys, 2 times 1 is 2. That's as close as I'm going to get to 3 without going over. So I'm going to put that 1 up top, and I'm going to multiply that 1 by the 2 and get 2 again. I'm going to subtract that 2 from the 3 and get a 1. I can't make 2 out of 1, so I have to do step 4, which is bring down the 4. So I bring down my 4, and now the steps start all over again. I have to ask myself, how many 2's are there in 14? Using multiplication facts, I know that 2 times 7 is 14. So the 7 goes up top, and I'm going to multiply the 7 by the 2, and I get 14, and I'm going to subtract that 14 from the 14 that's already down low, and I get a 0, okay? I get a 0. So now I know that I can't make 2 out of 0. So I have to bring down the 9. So I bring down the 9, and I have to ask myself, how many 2's are there in 9? And there are, let's see, using multiplication, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10. 10 is more than 9, so I can't use 5, but I can use 4. So I'm going to write that 4 on top next to the 7 and on top of the 9. And I'm going to multiply 4 times 2, and that product is 8. So I'm going to subtract that 8 from the 9, and I have a 1 left over. Now, looking at my dividend, I don't have any more numbers to bring down. So that means I am done dividing. I am done dividing because there are not any more numbers to bring down. So I have this 1 left over. And what we call this 1 left over is a remainder. A remainder is the number that is left after one whole number is divided by another. So my quotient is written like this: 1,174, the letter R for remainder, and then the number 1. And I'm going to circle it so that the teacher knows that that's my final answer. So guys, I just want to remind you of the steps. Does McDonald's sell burgers? That's the phrase that's going to help you remember the steps. D for divide in does. M for multiply with McDonald's. S for subtract with sell. And B for bring down in burgers. So this concludes our example model today. You're going to use this video to transition your knowledge to a check for understanding in Seesaw, where I have one division problem that you're going to solve for me today. So tune in tomorrow where we explore word problems with division, with 1-digit divisors and 4-digit dividends, or up to 4-digit dividends. If you have any questions, drop me a note in the chat. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow as we continue to explore the wonderful world of math.